Work-integrated learning, or WIL, gives students the hands-on, career-driven education Humber is known for. It provides students with real-life experience in the workplace or an educational setting. The Faculty of Health Sciences and Wellness offers students real-world experience as a part of their programs. There are 10 types of WIL offered at Humber. WIL offers our students an incredible opportunity to build their professional network and has led to permanent job offers for our students. There are specific requirements to participate in work-integrated learning on and off campus to ensure the health and safety of students, communities, patients, and clients. These requirements usually include up-to-date vaccinations, police record checks, and certifications such as first aid and CPR. It's important to consider these requirements as you begin your educational journey. Work-integrated learning builds on in-class education to provide students with the kind of experience employers are looking for. To learn more about mandatory and optional WIL opportunities, visit healthsciences.humber.ca today.